Hey guys, back again with another video. We're doing a spaghetti mukbang today. Your girl hasn't had this meal in so long and you know it's my favorite. So let's mix it up. Ooh, I don't know if you see that steam, but it's hot. Nice and saucy. You know how we like it. So good. Oh my gosh, like I think literally you saw me eat this last, which was like a couple months ago now. Oh my goodness. And sorry if I'm like, I don't know if I'm yelling. My ear is clogged. I've literally spent like 2 days trying to clean it. I don't know what's up with it. Ain't nothing in there left to take out. So I'm gonna have to see a doctor and see what's going on. But I feel okay. I'm not in pain, which is good. It's just my hearing is a little off. So I'm trying to talk at an even level. I'm sure it's fine, but I feel weird, but it's okay. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, and at this point, Fanta, sponsor me. My favorite. It's a mini. Okay, that open. Okay. Let's get into it. I don't have any avocados, so sad. But I know either way, my mouth is watering for this right now. Let's get a good first bite. And while I'm twirling this up, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. If you guys like my videos and you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please support Eat, Vibe, Love. It really helps the journey, and so I can continue making these videos for you guys and just get better. And yeah, that's about it. Like, subscribe, and share. Cheers. First bites to you. Let's go. Oh, I miss this. Oh, yeah. Ultimate comfort food. Big bite. I did the angel hair pasta today. Oh, yes. Oh. I know some of you asked me to make garlic bread, but I'm not used to having bread with my spaghetti because it's so many carbs. It's so filling. Like, I wouldn't be able to eat the bread and, like, finish my spaghetti meal. So, I forget, but I'll try it one day. Excuse me. Excuse me. This is all I need right here.